Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you download Discord app into your Android device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Play Store application, and after opening the Play Store, you just simply have to go over the search tab, and after going into the search tab, just simply search for Discord. Now, after searching the Discord, you will get a bunch of applications into this page. Now, you will get to see this Discord Talk Play Hangout application. Just simply tap into that and tap to install button. And after doing this much, your Discord application will successfully be downloaded depending on your internet connection speed. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.